All right, this last video we'll be talking about step one, win time, and the wrap up at the end of the day on Friday every week. So step one, it says first 5 minutes of every day. You will notice that at the beginning of your day, you'll have what's called win time. This stands for what I need. This is a way for you to orient yourself to what you need to do to accomplish on that day and become focused. You are going to be setting a goal for your day and working to achieve it. The first thing you should always check is to make sure you have finished the work from the day before and pressed turn in on anything that needed to be turned in. Then see or think what you need to do in order to complete today's work. You'll see a spreadsheet here, which I have open already, of what I did today to reach that goal. Sorry, today's goal, what I did today to reach that goal, and to set a goal for tomorrow. Again, this is a tool to focus, for you to focus, and that you should be familiar with from your digital literacy class. At the beginning and end of the day's session of learning, you should fill out the spreadsheet. It is a way for you to think and reflect about your time of learning and how to show that you are taking responsibility for your learning. So to see a couple examples that we put up here for you. So today's goal, it could be to learn how to use a HyperDoc. What I did today, or what the strategies I did use today were, today I was able to contact my teacher and ask questions, and then next steps I'm going to work on for the future. My next step is to finish 2 of my assignments in the time periods suggested. Again, another example, a goal could be, today's goal is to find a good working space to complete my work. What I did today and the strategies, today I went to my room to work and closed the door for quiet. And the next steps or things to do, my next step is to have all my materials in the space that I am working so I don't waste time looking for paper and pencil. To start off each meeting, you're going to have 5 minutes of win time, like we discussed. Again, this is a time for you to do whatever you need in that moment. It could be finishing yesterday's work, finishing any work from previous days to turn in, independent research, your inquiry project. It could be to check in with Miss C or Mr. G, me, or Miss Stevens, or anything else that might come up. Your wrap up. This is on the end of the day on Friday, at the very end of the week. So this will be another way to reflect on your week, on what you did and what you are still working on. This is what you should be doing at the end of the week. What we are looking for is you to critique your own learning time. What did you do well this week? What did you learn? How does it connect to what you've done or been doing in school? This is important as we are moving forward in our learning, because if you are experiencing a block on accessing the materials or accomplishing your goal, we need to recognize it and make a plan on how to overcome it. Be honest about yourself and what you need so we can help. For this format, each week we'll be putting a link here to a Flipgrid video. You won't see it here yet, but later on in the week, Thursday or early morning Friday, there'll be a link here to click to submit your wrap-ups. So again, that's the first 5 minutes of every day is your win time, your what I need time. And the end of the day on Friday is your wrap-up time. I've also included all this information typed out under the I Need Help section. Every screencast that I've made so far, including this one, will also be on the I Need Help section. Again, if you have questions or comments or need to reach out to me, Ms. Collier, Ms. Stevens, in any way whatsoever, please don't hesitate. We are here to help. Thank you so much.